Yeah, it should work. He's gonna run and get the camera. Can you wait just like 1 minute?
He's like, look at that nose. That's amazing, isn't it? Tyson, Tyson, hey baby. Oh, we got it. Beautiful. Oh, that's hilarious. First, okay, so everybody's smiling. Hold on, I can't see your blue because the lights are too bright. Hold on, go over in the dark somewhere.
In the dark.
That way I can actually see your faces. There we go. That's much better. Go, baby, go! Go, baby, go! Go, baby, go! Sitting with his legs propped up on the box. And he's so cute, baby cakes. He's so cute. Hey, baby cakes. Hey, baby cakes. Are you gonna fall backwards? Because you're kind of tilted. What you doing, sweet pea? Are you stuck? Because you can't get out of that? How are you gonna get out of it, huh? I'm gonna do this with my see with these Tic Tacs and watch him. Tyson! What do you think of that? What do you think of that, kiddo?